Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you about how to get started with Daki's new paid plan system. Like first, create a high team ticket if you haven't already and request a purchase of coins. Once you do that, use the balance command to see your balance to confirm the purchase, and then use shop to view all the plans available in the shop. Once you use that, use the buy command to purchase the item from the shop. Make sure to replace the item with the actual product name as shown in the video. Once you have purchased the item, use the inventory command to check out the item you've purchased in the inventory. Now use the use command to activate the plan. Up until now, you simply had the item in your inventory, which is useful for renewals explained later in the video. Once you use this command, this plan will become activated and get expired in 30 days as displayed. Once you use the plans command, copy the ID field shown in the video. This will be used in the create command later on. Now, once copied, use the create command. So first, you will give plan ID as the parameter, then you will give what type of server you want to put, and then you will give how much RAM you want to put to your server, then the disk followed by CPU. Remember, if you wish to divide the resources, split resources you pass in the command and run this command 2 times as shown in this video. If you want to only have one server, just run this command 1 time with your plan's maximum resources. So for this demonstration, we are making 2 servers with 50 resources each of total plan. Once we made it, use the servers command. As shown, we pass the plan ID as the command argument to view servers of that plan. Now, as you can see, both the servers are created and ready to use. These servers will remain with you till your plan expires. You can easily protect your servers from being locked or suspended by purchasing a plan and keeping it in your inventory. Just use by command and purchase a plan, and that's it. Your current plan will remain renewed. The bot will remind you eventually about the expiry, and you can easily recharge your balance from same high team ticket to renew your plan. Remember, don't use the use command if you want to renew. And that's it. You learned how to get started with the new paid plan system. Now, here are a couple left. AQ, 1, can I make other types of servers? Yes, you can. Primarily, you can create a Python or a JavaScript server, but you can contact us to get that changed and host any type of project you wish to host. Our team is always there to assist you to, if I miss the payment date, can I still continue? No. If you miss your payment date, your current plan gets expired and deleted. You can only contact us to get your data back, and you can pay again and do all the process and make a new server again. 3, if the bot bugs for something and it affects me, don't worry. We've tested this bot a lot and there's less chance of it being bugged. However, in rare events where it manages to, and if it affects you, all the operations and however it has affected you will be reverted back to prior state. 4, can I cancel the plan? Yes, you can. You can simply use the cancel command passing the plan out of the plan you want to cancel as the argument. Any servers associated to the plan will remain active till the end of its billing cycle. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you aboard at Daki. Happy hosting.